Today I'm sharing my 1-minute salted caramel sauce recipe. This is actually made in a blender. It's raw, vegan, and it's got no refined sugar in it. This tastes so amazing, you won't believe it's actually good for you.
Hey, Catherine here from greenthickies.com.
And I help busy people to reach their ideal body weight in the most nutritionally sound way imaginable while avoiding hunger by making and eating fast, healthy, delicious food on the go. After having a baby, I had piled on 5 dress sizes and I was no longer able to follow time-consuming diets as I literally had no spare time or energy. This is what led me to inventing the Green Thickie recipe, which is a complete meal green smoothie that provides all of your nutritional needs. When you drink this for breakfast, and potentially also for lunch, you will satisfy your sweet tooth, reduce cravings and eliminate hunger, while dramatically increasing your energy levels. By drinking Green Thickies, I quickly dropped the weight and had enough energy to enjoy looking after my baby. I've also helped thousands of people turn over a new leaf and reach their ideal weight in the healthiest way possible by making this simple change in their diet. Best of all, it's long lasting. I've been drinking Green Thickies every day for over 7 years now and I feel better than ever. If you want to get started by making your first Green Thickie recipe, you can get my free recipe card at greenthickies.com/basic or click the link below. All of my recipes are made using easy to find ingredients that you can get locally. Now that we've been introduced, let's get to the content. If you make a lot of fruit-based recipes like I do, a lot of the time you feel in need of jazzing them up a little bit. Need a little topping for your smoothie bowl, ice cream or banana pancakes? Look no further than this date-based 1-minute salted caramel sauce recipe. Not only is this delicious, but it avoids all the nasties such as dairy and refined sugar. It's made from dates, which are whole fruit and perfect for good digestion and boundless energy. It's made in the blender, so it's so much faster than traditional caramel sauce. Plus, it isn't heat treated at all, so it's retained its nutrients, which dates have a lot of. All in all, there is nothing to feel guilty about with this caramel sauce. In fact, every time you take a bite, you can congratulate yourself on finding something so heavenly, yet so good for yourself. You can be indulgent and proud of yourself at the same time with this amazing caramel sauce. In a second, I'm going to be giving you my 1-minute salted caramel sauce recipe. Salted caramel sauce recipe. The ingredients you will need for the 1-minute salted caramel sauce recipe are: ingredients: 1 cup of dates, half a cup of nut butter, such as peanut, cashew or almond butter, 1/3 of a cup of water, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or vanilla powder, pinch of salt. Optional extras: 1 tablespoon of mesquite powder for more of a caramel taste, or 1 tablespoon of lucuma powder for a sweet ice cream-like taste, or 2 tablespoons of cacao or carob powder for a chocolate sauce, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup for a sweeter sauce, or 1 to 2 tablespoons of coconut oil if you want your sauce to set in the fridge. Instructions. What you need to do first of all is make sure that your dates are either already pitted or you need to pit them yourself. So that means you need to slice lengthways down the date and then just pull out the pit, remove that, and then chop your dates into smaller chunks which are easier to blend. If you buy dates that are already pitted, they're likely to be very dried out, so you might need to add a lot more water to this recipe. My dates, even though they had pits in, they were quite dry because they'd been there for quite a long time, so I needed to add a lot more water than I would have done normally. Use either a food processor or a high-speed blender and blend until smooth. Add 1 tablespoon of extra water at a time if needed. Use straight away or store in the fridge in a jar for up to 2 weeks. This recipe is definitely a staple in my house. I use it for literally everything, including my 30-second banana smoothie recipe for miraculous weight loss, my 10-second banana ice cream recipe using only bananas, my pancake banana recipe with only 1 ingredient, my cinnamon rolls recipe containing only fruit, and that's a no-bake recipe, and so much more, and I'll link to these videos below. I hope you enjoyed this 1-minute salted caramel sauce recipe. Please follow me on Instagram at Green Thickies. I share some great information and inspirational posts on there to help you learn more about nutrition and be inspired to take action every day. You can also find Green Thickies on Pinterest and Facebook. And don't forget, all of the full posts, including printable recipes, can be found on the website greenthickies.com. And from here, you can also check out the special offers in the Green Thickies store. Until next time, make it green, make it thick, making healthy habits stick. Lots of leafy love.